I had a client call us and ask us, how do you choose the right attorney for my injuries in a train wreck in South Carolina? If you're watching this video, you may have the same questions. I told that client, you look at two different issues. One is experience and two is success. In regard to experience, ask how many train cases has that lawyer handled? Is he a trial lawyer? Is the core practice personal injury? Ask what that lawyer's game plan for your case is. Does he have access to expert witnesses and medical professionals that can help treat you for your injuries? Ask whether he runs focus groups and mock juries that'll help present the case well to a jury should the case go to trial. In regard to success, go online and see how happy and pleased prior clients are. What kind of results and success has the client received by that lawyer? What do Google reviews say about the lawyer? What do Facebook, Avvo say? What are past clients saying about that lawyer's success? There are also lawyer-to-lawyer reviews, such as Super Lawyer, Best Lawyer, 100 High-Stake Litigators, where lawyers rate and rank other lawyers, see what their peers are saying about this lawyer. If you have any questions about a train wreck in South Carolina, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.